So this is an install for a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee for the Mopar OEM Hitch. This is the instructions I printed off Mopar. These are the ones that came in the box. This one specifies Grand Cherokee. This one shows the options for the Grand Cherokee and the Durango. It's pretty straightforward though, and it really didn't take me much to get going and to get this far, to get that off and put the new one on. Got my fascia bumper here, getting ready to cut out the pre-drilled, pre-marked area here. All these hash marks for the clips, for that insert, that bezel insert, and the ones for on the bottom. Do not need to hit this one or on this side. We'll cut this whole thing out, put that bad boy back on. But to start tackling this, really was going after the lights, which were push pins. Pop these out, take them off, help kind of pry away at the light right here first. Pop this out because they're stuck in here. Get it out, done, both sides. Then going for this trim. You don't actually have to, all the videos people taking this off, you don't really need to take it off. Get underneath, remove all the two push pins. You're gonna break two. They look like these. They come replaceables in the kit. You break two of those off and then take the other screws out. And then you can pull this inner fender shield, weather shield, down outside the seam of this guard and expose that hard to reach nut that's back in this area. Grab that bad boy out and shoot, and just pop, 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 pop along here. When you come to the corner, you gotta kind of push forward, pull up. No big deal though. And then same with the other side, and the thing comes all the way off, just falls right off basically. And you can get under there, underneath, and replace your 21mm bolts. When you go to install, you notice you'll get 4 to put in. There's 1, 2, 3, and a 4th on the bottom. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you're pulling out the old bumper, there's only 3 bolts total on each side, but pretty easy to get to. Put a little Loctite when putting that back in. You're gonna need to buy this little part, $50 from the dealership, $35 or $38 on Amazon, which ironically comes from a dealership out of Ohio. And snap that all in. Now getting ready to do the fascia. I'll cut that out and continue on with the other video.